What are we doing today?
Hand grips. Well, leather grips.
Leather grips. Well, the fringe. Oh yeah, can I get a roll tie, sir?
Roll tie.
Roll tie.
I don't know what the hell I'm doing either.
They have directions?
Yeah, but I ain't using it. Like this.
I'd imagine they go like that.
I think it does go like that, but I've seen people always have them like this. But
I mean, I'd imagine so when you pull the lever in.
Yeah.
That's how I would do it.
Okay.
It look kind of tacky the other way.
All right.
Just strap it up. Is there a piece that goes right here?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Yeah, you just gonna have to tighten it up pretty tight.
Yeah, that's what the
You have to wet them up.
Instructions did. I did read that part where you gotta wet them.
All right, so being that you've already put the saddlebag protectors on there and the bike falls over, I gotta hear you start the. Ooh, what are these? What are these? Well, aren't those pretty?
I've already
Oh, the scrape. What happened there, Jared? Damn, Jared. You scraped that pretty bad.
Yeah, I sure did.
So does it? I guess when you do hit dips, it'll.
Yeah. Yeah, it was playing, but.
Yeah, you nicked that pretty good. You just get another one.
Yeah.
You think you probably? They might see. You might be able to buy just one.
Yeah. I think I saw it on there where you can
So,
buy a thing.
Note to self: when you buy these tips, you gotta be very careful. That looks.
If you go get my key, you can hear it.
Well, let's get this done first. That ain't look good. Let's stick out. Well, the stock ones didn't stick out that far.
No, the stock one didn't stick nowhere near that far.
I'm guessing the stock one stopped maybe probably right there. So you got an extra.
Hey, Brandon, you think I should have pulled this some more right here? You think I need to go back before I get it too dang tight?
Nah, dude, I think that's where it's supposed to be at, like right there.
I'm talking about close that up some more.
Yeah, I would. Let's go ahead and do it. Do it right.
Never done this before.
Oh, you got the highway pegs on there too.
Oh yeah, but I ain't got them set to me though. But I got them on now. I might try to sell them here in a little.
Y'all been busy since I've been gone.
I've been busy. Well, Evan helped me.
Oh, okay. I saw it on Instagram.
Yeah. I think you mostly got to pull it from right here. Yep.
Pull that cow.
Woo. I had to pull it though.
Can't even tell that we had it in the mud.
Nope.
Especially on that front tire.
I hadn't even washed it. The rain washed it.
Yeah. Well, I mean, luckily we didn't get too much mud on it when we got it out. It was mostly just the tire. That's where all the mud was.
Yeah, I might give it a little bath in there. Just let it hang for right here, right now. And then I'll just let it dry, and then I'll cut it. Because I think once it dries, it's going to bond then. It does feel good, though.
I bet. It's got a little Indian logo, like, right there.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody asked me to ask you, has it been hard keeping this thing clean?
No. Just regular warm water and with nothing in it so far.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It being white, and then it's like a white mat. Those actually look like they came with the bike. The saddlebag protectors, in case the bike fall all the way over.
Yeah, Brian said that.
They came with it.
Yeah. It does dress it up real nice, though.
Well, for anybody that thought you cannot move this bike without the key fob because the alarm will go off.
It's a real.
Like clockwork.
Well, that did it right there. Yeah.
It's nice up right.
Do some adjustments today.
Yeah, that looks real good. Now you gotta get the ones for the saddlebags. I don't like the ones on the saddlebags.
Yeah, if I do any
You can get them all the way down there if you wanted to.
If I do any more of them, I might do the floatboard. But other than that,
pushing it.
Cause I might skirt some. I might grind my pegs down and then they'll be all gone. And we were just talking about it too.
I guess you can pull too hard and break one.
Yeah.
Hopefully there's enough excess to keep doing it.
Yeah. Probably go to an arts and crafts store and get something like that. Like Hobby Lobby or something.
They just fed it through all the holes, right? A piece of leather. That's what it looked like.
Yeah,
well, that piece right there, you can probably.
I'm gonna put it up under here. I just get that thing and put it up under there. Then I'm gonna take this other piece that you get, put it right here, and then I'm gonna tie these two down and tie them in together. So, luckily it didn't break early though. If it would have broke early, might would have a little problem.
Actually interesting. It is rubbing. It's rubbing pretty bad, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, that rubbed pretty.
It probably messed up the paint right there.
Yeah. Man, yeah. Yeah, it did.
Oh. That would be really, really nice. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and get some warm water now and wash it. And ain't gonna, and all I gotta do is just wipe carbon and scrub it a little bit and it comes right off.
Yep. Let's hear it rumble. So, Jarrett recently changed out his stock exhaust on his Indian. He's got some new tips, Reinhardt's. And now we're gonna hear startup.
Should I have done this after I washed it?
With the startup? Probably. So now we're about to rinse. There's no water in here. I mean, no soap in here. Hold on, let me get this off.
Might not be able to move it.
Start it up and just move it, and then just cut it off real quick. I haven't even heard it yet. That is loud.
I do to it and it comes right off. Bring press.
So no soap.
No soap.
Just water.
Just water.
Or hot water.
Hot water.
We're gonna have plenty.
See that?
Of,
look at that. Put that on. See that right there?
we have plenty of experts in the comments on what you should be doing.
Yeah.
You should use 2 buckets. One for water, one for, I guess, rinse or whatever they say.
Yeah, it is. But,
have we ever done that?
but we got 2 buckets though.
Yeah, we got half of it.
This is all I do to it. Warm water just rinses it right off. It's steaming. I thought about getting it wrapped though, just to make sure.
Somebody get a clear bra?
Yeah.
I mean, it will protect it for a long time.
Yeah. That is how the 19 is supposed to look.
There's some stuck bugs over here.
I miss it.
I mean, if anything, what I would probably get wrapped is like probably here, and just the front.
Front. And the bags back there on the back of it.
Yeah, probably the top of them when people swing their feet over.
And in the front of it, where the bug's gonna hit.
Oh yeah, that too. Cause the tank, you ain't got to. Honestly, you ain't really got the wrap. Well, I guess I'll probably get a wrap right here, just in case something rubs it. But
half of the bite now from all the stuff.
And being that this ain't exposed, you ain't gotta worry about bugs hitting it. If a bug get, I don't even know how that would even happen, but shoot the windshield. I mean, you can just get it replaced cheaply versus this whole front fairing with the speakers in it.
Yeah, you put some elbow grease. See, I ain't put no elbow grease, but boy, look here, it come right off though.
Yeah. Thought it up, man. I wonder what it sounds like from this side. Rev it a little bit more. Oh my God, that's loud. That's about as loud as my Scout, if not louder. That's loud. Wake the neighbors up. Our neighbors hate us now. They'll be all right.
I'm sorry.
Oh man, my ear. Oh, so what are these called again?
Tabs. Tabs is off. Tabs Performance.
These are called Tabs Performance.
Yeah, and it's got the zombie baffle.
The zombie baffles.
Yeah.
Tabs Performance with the zombie baffles. There y'all go. Dude, that's loud. That's very loud. Sounds good though, but loud. I do like. I'm pretty bad about washing stuff, but if all I had to do is just wipe it to keep it somewhat clean, and that's the move.
I'm gonna wait before I buy the windshield again because I think for the 19, but I don't see the difference though, because when we put that windshield, I had the windshield with the wings on the top of it, and it was hitting the mirrors where I couldn't get the mirrors on. So I'm gonna see if they're gonna come out with something else, and then before I go, because if not, then I'll go ahead and get the 12. I think the 12 gonna come about right here.
Or just get the same one but just higher?
Yeah, it's gonna look just like the stock. Even though it looks too ordinary, I really like to have the wings on it. Yeah, I really would like to have.
Yeah, the wings. And Brian got the wings on his, right?
Yeah. I might go ahead on and get it all the way dog too. I was just go with the mid tint, but I might just go ahead and get the dog tint.
Dang, I was not expecting that bike to be that loud. Basically had one of these cables to snap, these pieces of leather. He once they dry, they'll bond and get really tight. And they don't, I guess, bump them. They come in just enough to pull the clutch in. On this side, to let this bond in, he's going to cut this off, the excess, but it doesn't interfere with the brake. You have yours on 5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on 5. It's good though. Gives it that classic look. It kind of looks funny on this one though. Not funny like it don't look right, but it just, this bike looks newer. It looks more modern than the other ones, than the other Indian Chieftains. And to see the tassels on there is kind of different. Like it wouldn't look the same on Brian's. I guess they call it the classic now versus this one. So do y'all think he should put the flanges under the floorboards or just leave it as is? Because this is what it looks like now. So that's what it is now. Only thing he's got is there, saddlebag brackets there to keep it from falling over. Then you got foot pegs here, but most people, I think the classic and the vintage, they have them like right there. And they also have them there, but I don't know, man. I think that might be dressing it up too much.
It might.
It might be dressing it up a little too much, but I mean, it looks good regardless. But we could go all out and get them on the saddlebags too.
I don't know if I want to do that for
I don't know, man.
The ones on the saddlebag gonna hang from right here.
I think if you take from
they
that
hang from down here.
Okay.
Yeah, they don't hang from like that.
I don't know if you were to put them on there, would it take too much from the aggressive look of it?
Yeah.
Because right now it still looks aggressive to me with just the clutch and brake levers on there. But if you put them on there, it's gonna look like it's gonna start getting that classic look, unless that's what you're going for. But
No. I want the modern look.
So I would probably, well, let's see what folks say, but more likely we probably, I would stay with the way it is.
All right.
I would stay with the way it is. It's just enough where it's not too much. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Man, that's a nice shirt.
Yeah. I think it's the best one.
I'll make y'all look good. Even better.
It don't seem like it. It don't seem like it.
Yeah, it's that step.